How to use mask in Capcut. To begin with, you'll need to import the two clips on which you want to apply the masking effect. Identify the precise sections in the clips where the masking effect will be added. In the upper right-hand corner of the interface, you'll find an option titled Mask. Click on this and you will be presented a variety of available masking presets. In this video tutorial, we'll be utilizing the split mask for demonstration purposes. After identifying the split mask, click on it to apply it onto the clip. Don't worry if it isn't flawless right off the bat. You can adjust the mask as per your requirements. If the preset adjustments don't suit your needs, don't fret. You can manually alter the mask using the tool provided on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, we will make use of the master keyframe. Simply click on the diamond-shaped icon to activate this. Continue making adjustments until you reach the end of the frame, ensuring that the mask has been applied with precision and accuracy. Next, place the second clip underneath the masked clip. Another pro tip to make your video look more natural is to adjust the feather. This helps to hide the mask. Finally, marvel at your basic mask transition, which is ready to be delivered to your audience.